Welcome to East Canyon Ranch, a sprawling 5,000-acre haven of natural beauty. Nestled in the heart of East Canyon, this working cattle ranch is conveniently located just 55 minutes from downtown Salt Lake City and a mere 50 minutes from the renowned Park City ski areas. Rarely do these unique opportunities to own significant properties with guaranteed hunting rights come available in Utah. As you step onto the ranch, you'll be greeted by vast open hillsides, home to grazing cattle and horses. Access from East Canyon Road provides gateways to home sites, providing the opportunity to build 2 stunning mountain-style homes. Explore lower portions of the ranch pastures, adorned with native grasses, sage, cedars, and gamble oak. Higher elevations accessible through well-maintained road systems reveal aspen groves and provide breathtaking views of valleys and neighboring ski resorts. East Canyon Ranch is a thriving ecosystem, home to abundant wildlife, including wintering deer and elk herds. The ranch supports up to 100 pairs of grass-fed cows and calves, grazing the pastures and hillsides from April through October. The entire ranch is easily accessible through a comprehensive road system, with numerous game trails crisscrossing its interior. An adjacent equestrian complex offers year-round boarding and training facilities, ensuring a well-rounded ranch experience. The next owner will gain exclusive access to buck deer or bull elk tags through ownership of the ranch. Miles of trails invite exploration, whether on foot, mountain bike, or horseback. The ranch truly unfolds its beauty to those who seek adventure. Perched on the highest ridgeline, a yurt complex offers an enchanting overnight stay or a picturesque setting for gatherings with friends and family. Abundant animal and bird populations make East Canyon Ranch a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and birdwatchers. Its proximity to popular ski areas like Snow Basin and Powder Mountain adds to the allure. Nearby, East Canyon State Park offers fishing, boating, and swimming opportunities amid rugged hills during the summer months. This legacy offering, so close to the Wasatch Front, beckons the next owner to design and build 2 spectacular mountain homes within a 5,000-acre natural sanctuary. Panoramic valley and mountain views, coupled with unlimited private recreational access, make this a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. For more information, contact Murr Ranch Group today.